Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play PlayStation 3 on your phone. First, understand that this easy method primarily uses cloud gaming services, which stream games directly to your device. This means you won't need a super powerful phone, but a very stable internet connection is absolutely crucial for a seamless experience. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your favorite games running. To begin, you'll need a compatible smartphone, whether it runs on Android or iOS. A robust internet connection is paramount. Aim for at least 50 megabits per second download speed to avoid lag. While not strictly required, a Bluetooth game controller will significantly enhance your gameplay, offering a more traditional console feel. These are the foundational elements for a great mobile gaming session. Next, select a reliable cloud gaming service that supports PlayStation 3 games. Once chosen, download its dedicated application from your phone's App Store, whether it's the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. After installation, open the app, create your user account, and then choose a suitable subscription plan. This step is straightforward and gets you ready to access the game library. Now for the fun part, playing your games. Navigate through the service's game library to find your favorite PlayStation 3 titles. Simply select a game, and it will begin streaming directly to your phone. You can often adjust settings like resolution or frame rate within the app to fine-tune your experience. Get ready to enjoy hours of classic gaming on the go, right from your pocket.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.